Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Alfa Romeo Giulia. It's on a 20 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see that it's a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside its boot space first. You can open the tailgate on this car with the button on the key just here, or from the tailgate itself, of course. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see the reversing sensors and plenty of boot space. You can fold those rear seats down to increase this space should you need to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. Now that we've done a full circle though, firstly you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see, firstly, the total miles of the car. They're 33,427. We have a digital readout for the speedometer. Various other bits of information available on there, which can all be changed by pressing a button on the end of the right-hand stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our phone controls, our stereo controls, our cruise control. Underneath that is where you'll start and stop the engine. You just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. We have this massive plus and minus paddle there so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the center, the main touch screen for the car. So as I say, it is touchscreen. You can access the screen using that, but you don't have to. You can see the movement that I'm making on the screen at the moment is obviously not by touching the screen. It is by using this dial just here, and you can come back to the home screen with a push of this button. So it's up to you in terms of how you operate the screen, but whichever way you do it, it is very easy. So we have a full color display for your satellite navigation, of course. You can come back to your home screen and access your audio, DAB, AM and FM radio. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. That is all, of course, after you have paired up your phone. You can swipe through for lots of different options, as you can see. You can also access your full color reversing camera, which has guidelines showing you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen. Working our way down from that, we have our dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the fan speed, and all adjustments will show on the screen as you make them. Your passenger temperature, your driver temperature, and they will be in the bottom left and right hand corners of the display. That turns your air conditioning off and back on again. Or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can manually override that whenever you wish to. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, some storage back here, as well as 2 cup holders directly in front of that. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We have an electronic handbrake, the main volume for your stereo. The controls went through just a moment ago, and then lastly, this dial. So this is Alfa Romeo's DNA. So N being normal, natural, neutral, essentially everyday driving. D being dynamic, and A being all weather. Whichever mode you put it in, it will show you up on the main screen that you have changed that mode, and it's fairly clearly highlighted by the color as to what they expect you to do with each mode. Last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. In the envelope here is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document, of course, showing it's a one-owner car from new. We then have the service book with a pre-delivery inspection, and then services in 21, 22, 23 and 2024 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.